Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 20% off AVS for you unlimited subscription plan. You know that I'm not only a YouTuber, I also have a website jackydeals.com which is for discount coupon code, and I have elearningsupporter.com which is for software review. So I have different website and different channel here on YouTube too. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 20% off AVS for you unlimited subscription plan. If you have any other requirement about software discounts such as Camtasia, Active Presenter, Wondershare, Filmora, Movavi, VSDC, or Cyberlink Power Director, just ask me, because as an affiliate partner I have many different kind of software discount on my website. So let's talk about AVS for you video editor. So here's the main website. So now we go to AVS video editor, or AVS for you, it's just the same. So this is a video editor for Windows. It is very simple to use, but the feature is kind of basic, and compared to Filmora or Movavi video editor plus, it is a little bit less powerful than this program, especially the color grading and chroma key option here. Okay. We have speed up. So here is what they describe on their homepage. But let's go ahead to the store. So at their online store, there are only two options. One option is 1 year subscription. So it is $39 US per 1 year subscription. So for the next year, you have to pay $39 US. And the second option is unlimited access subscription, which is a lifetime plan. For this program, but you get a video editor, a video converter, and video remaker, audio converter, and audio editor. So it's just a 5-in-1 tools. And the price, the current price is $39 US, and it's at 70% off reduced price compared to normal price. But I didn't see they published their normal price, so we will get 20% off on this price, on this $39 US. Okay, so how to get it? Go to my website. So I will put the link in the description. Just Jacky Deals. Here is my website, jackydeals.com, and I have just updated the new coupon for AVS for you unlimited subscription here at the homepage. By the way, if you don't see it on the homepage, you can go to All Store. Here, view all store. Okay, I click on that. Okay, here you can browse all store on jackydeals.com. So I have all the store here. If you have any favorite software that you want to buy, you can just find them right here at this store. Or you can search for the discount at this search bar. But we go to AVS for you. Here is the store for AVS for you, or AVS video editor, whatever. Okay, we click on that. Here we have two new discount coupons. So this coupon is available until September 1st. By the way, if you watch this video later than September 1st, then you can just go ahead to check the store. I may update the new coupon here. We go for AVS for you unlimited subscription discount code. We click on here. So there are two ways you can click here to visit the post, or you can click this buy now button. Okay, and click this buy now button, we activate the discount at the store. You get saved. For example, if I select open link in new tab at the buy now button, okay, and you see to see what happened here. So loading AVS for you official store. Okay. Chinese yuan, no, I will select USD, so that you here, because when you are at their store, you can have different currency option. You can select USD, Euro, or Chinese Yuan, or Vietnamese Dong, or whatever you choose. Okay, so here you have the CQ shopping cart, and you have AVS for you unlimited subscription, and the normal price is 59 US dollar, and the discount here, the discount you can save 11.8 US dollar, and total you need to pay is 47.2. So you don't need to check this box because the coupon is already in the link. I embedded it into the link, so you don't need to copy and paste. So when you click the buy now button, okay, and license to person or company, and you can fill in your information right here and select PayPal or wire transfer or other method. For example, you can use here or the other option right here. Okay, so that is the first way. And the second way, you can click on this text. So you go to the post. Okay, let's close this one. I close this one. So this is the post that you can my post. You can see that this is the code and this is the buy now button. Or you can also click here to activate this deal. So it's the same. You go to the store, or you can just copy this and then you click this buy now button. That is how the coupon code on my site work. Firstly, you copy the code and then you click the buy now button and then you paste the code at checkout. Okay, for example, if I click on buy now button, but this already has the discount coupon code inside, so you don't have to copy and paste it, but normally you need to copy and paste. Okay, yeah, it's already have the discount. Or otherwise you can check this. I have discount coupon code, and then you press Ctrl V to paste, and then you refresh. But now it's already have discounted, so we don't get more discount on this. Just use discount and fill in your information here. So I will show you how it works, how the program works. So here's my AVS for you, just a non-activated version. So we have a classic timeline video editor. On top of the timeline, you have project which show all the project that you just did. For example, this is test AVS test video sample project, and you can import media to this and capture device capture from camera, and also capture screen with this button. And you have media library here, transition, video effect, and so all the main feature of this program is on top of the timeline. And this is a timeline. You have only one video track and one overlay track right here, and text. So text using for title. So whenever you want to go to text, and then you select any template right here, you have to drag and drop it onto this track, title track. Okay, so you don't drop it on top of the video track like other video editor. And this is the overlay track. So whenever you want to overlay something on your main video track, the first one on top is the main video track, you need to drop it here, right here. So go to media. For example, if I want to overlay this on the main video track, then I need to drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then I can edit, right click on that and click edit overlay to open the new windows. Okay, so here's the overlay editing features in AVS for you. So you can move the overlay around the screen, or resize, or whatever. You can also rotate the video like this. And remember that in AVS video editor, there is only chroma key option is only available in the overlay video. It is not available in the background video. For example, the main video track, you cannot use chroma key. Okay, and click OK to go back. And then on the timeline, you can also it is possible to switch to storyboard. For example, if you switch to storyboard, then you can drag and drop your media file onto the timeline, onto the storyboard. Drag and drop it onto the board easily. For example, drag media item here, and then you go to transition, and then you can apply transition to different position on the timeline. So it is easy, right? But I'm not going to go into detailed tutorial about AVS for you video editor in this video. So that's I just want to share with you how to get the discount coupon code here. So that's all I want to share. Just go to check out the link in the description. I will put everything there. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.